Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Richard. If you're not subscribed, please do consider subscribing and giving the video a like if it means something to you while we take out my Honda Honda Dax. Yes, we're on the little ST125 today, and this was purchased from Facebook Marketplace, and we're talking about Marketplace today. We are. Yes, we are. Right, let's get on the bike. She's ticking over. I bought this a couple of months ago from a lovely gentleman over in Wales. Let's get these jeans right. It's absolutely boiling at the moment in the UK. In fact, let's get second gear. Let's get second gear. And let's push out the Insta350 X4. Here we go. Hopefully the microphone that I'm using will be okay with the Insta350 X4. I should really get an X5, but money is what it is. Money is what it is. Let's take a left here. No one's behind me, and let's go down here. So, what's happening with Facebook at this moment in time? Well, whilst you all think that I sit around and just play with this Honda Dax or the Triumph T120, I'm actually scouring and looking for another motorbike at the right price and thinking what's next. Now, for this coming winter, bearing in mind it's August 2025, for this coming winter 25-26, I shall be looking for a bike that maybe we can do some renovation on and get it ready for the summer of 2026. Now, I'd like to say I'd get a two-stroke, but they're too expensive. I was thinking more of a late 70s Honda CB750, or maybe an old Triumph Bonneville. I don't know, what are your thoughts on that? What are your thoughts? So I could get a CB750 single overhead cam, and for maybe 2,000-3,000, that needs quite a lot of attention, and then spend come on little girl, she's in second gear, and then spend maybe £1,000 or £2,000 on her to get her back to some kind of original condition, and have her to play with for summer of 2026, so you can come through the journey of me renovating a motorcycle. Remember, it's a single overhead cam, or get a Triumph Bonneville from the 70s that needs a bit of work doing. You can buy a good looking Bonneville for about £4,500 that looks in good condition. So you know, a Triumph Bonneville, I think I'll be pushing it a bit and looking at one for £2,000 that needs renovating. So, don't know what your thoughts are. Am I in the right financial ballpark for that? So it's got to be something that's semi-iconic. So it's not going to be an RD350 LC. It's not going to be that. So it's going to be, like I said, a CB750K or something like that. What do you think? You give me ideas for the channel. It's beautiful out here. So I'm trying out the Insta350 X4 with the DJI Mic 2 because I'm not using this camera as much as I should be. So I'm trying it out now, so the way that it presents the screen in front of you is slightly different. It might be slightly warped or whatever, but you tell me, does it look okay? They are 360 degree cameras are interesting in certain situations, but they do warp the 2D presentation of a video. I don't know, you tell me, does it look okay? So what I've noticed is, let's get to the point. That's what I'm planning on doing. And like I say, I often use Marketplace to buy my motorbikes, but I am finding that another scam has started up yet again. So you phone someone up and they say, "Oh, hiya, yeah. Sorry, but a dealer's about to, or someone is about to lay a 10% deposit. But if you lay a 10% deposit right now, I'll hold it for you." This is without you going and seeing it. This is over the phone or over text messaging over Marketplace. Don't do anything. If you're thinking about buying a bike off Marketplace and they say something to you to that effect, where someone is already on the way to lay a deposit or they're on the way to buy it, I'm happy to hold it for you if you give me a 10% deposit or £200 deposit. Walk away. Never lay a deposit on anything before you've seen it on Marketplace. There are so many scams around, it's untrue. So never lay any money without actually being in front of the product, be it a motorcycle, a dishwasher, a hairdryer, a Lamborghini. Do not lay a deposit until you're actually in front of that product. And if it's a vehicle, then you're looking at the ownership document and you're at the address where the ownership document states. Yeah, I'm just saying. The kids are out playing with water. It's absolutely boiling today. Absolutely boiling. Hence why I've got DH Auto's Revit Eclipse 2 on. I'll leave a link in the description so you can go to DH Auto's website and order your kit. So, don't go leaving deposits on anything before you've actually been in front of the product that you're buying on Marketplace. Everybody's scamming. So what will happen is you'll get so excited about the product that you've seen, an RD350 LC. You'll get so excited, oh yeah, it's a good price. In fact, it's a really good price. I'm going to lay £200 or £300 deposit because someone else is coming to have a look at it and you want to buy it and the photos look really good. Don't do that. Don't do that. Do it at your peril. There is a 99% chance that when they're asking you to lay a deposit, it's a scam. So just walk away. Just walk away. What's your thoughts on that? What are your thoughts? Anyway, I thought I'd give you this warning and just remind you of the situation of Facebook Marketplace, and hopefully it helps you not to lose any money when you get excited about a particular product that you see on there. Okay? Like I say, I use Facebook Marketplace to buy my motorbikes and all that good stuff, and I generally have no problem. but you can easily identify a scam. There's a lady here walking up. Hopefully she's okay. There we go. She's looking at me weird. She's turned round and stopped. She's probably not seen a Honda Dax for a long time. Brilliant. It's a great little bike. If you're thinking about having a bit of fun, then a Honda Dax is a great little bike. And it does what? Somewhere in, I've calculated it out about 137 miles per gallon. So it's very economical. Gets you to work and back. You can easily put it in your kitchen if you haven't got a garage, so no one can steal it. There you go. What do you think? Anyway, so there we are. Fair warning. Ride safely, and I shall see you in the next video. Do give it a like if it meant something to you, and has reminded you of the situation regarding Facebook Marketplace. There's some great deals on there, but there are lots of scammers, so just be careful. Ride safely. I'll see you very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.